Imagine this. You walk into a room and people immediately like you, trust you, and want to talk to you. What if you could learn how to do that, not by being rich or powerful, but simply by understanding people? In How to Win Friends and Influence People, Dale Carnegie shares simple ideas about human relationships. The main lesson is clear. If you want people to like and respect you, first learn to care about them. One of the biggest mistakes we make is criticizing others. When someone makes a mistake, we often blame them, but criticism usually makes people defensive. Instead, try to understand why they acted that way. Another important lesson is to show real interest in people. Ask questions about their lives. Listen carefully when they speak. Remember their names. People love feeling heard and valued. Carnegie also teaches us to avoid arguments whenever possible. Winning an argument does not always mean winning a relationship. Even if you prove that you are right, the other person may feel hurt or embarrassed. Sometimes it is better to listen, stay calm, and find common ground. A simple smile can also make a big difference. A friendly attitude can change the way people respond to you. You do not need to be perfect. You simply need to be warm, respectful, and sincere. Another powerful idea is to make people feel important, but do it honestly. Give genuine appreciation when someone does something well. Do not use fake compliments. People can feel the difference. The book also teaches us that influence works better through encouragement than force. If you want someone to change, help them see the benefit of that change. Make them feel that the idea can also help them. So the secret is not controlling people, it is understanding them. Listen more, criticize less, remember names, show genuine interest, give honest appreciation, and treat people with respect. When you practice these simple habits, your friendships can become stronger, your conversations can become easier, and your relationships can improve. That is the powerful message behind How to Win Friends and Influence People. People may forget what you say, but they remember how you make them feel.